Today is February 3, 2026, Tuesday morning. No, Tuesday noon. It's 12:06 sa tanghali. I'm in Green Lake right now. I look at the view. Cloudy, and there's dalawang ulap oh. Ang ganda oh. Ulap sa dagat, may ulap din doon sa paan ng bundok. It's a pag, right? Oh yeah, it's a pag. Pag sa dagat, tapos may pag sa paan ng bundok. Dalawa. Wow, nice. Look at this area over here. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. It's in Green Lake. Cloudy day. It's a beautiful day.